Well, well, guess who forgot to lay the chicken out of the freezer again tonight? Me. That's okay. I'm going to use it anyway. I'm going to use it directly from frozen, just change my game plan a little bit. So tonight I'm going to make shredded chicken taco meat in the crock pot from frozen chicken. And I'm going to show you how I do it. All right, to my crock pot I've added 2 chicken breasts, and these are large chicken breasts. And I'm going to add in a bowl 16 ounces of salsa. This is my homemade salsa I'm using today. So I've got half of that in the bowl, which is 16 ounces. And then I'm adding a can of Rotel tomatoes. I'm going to add 2 packs of chicken taco seasoning. And then I'm going to add what would be the equivalent of a pack of the dry ranch seasoning. I'm just going to eyeball that. And I'm going to mix this up and pour it over my chicken. I'm just going to put that directly over the chicken. And I'm going to set this to cook on high for 4 hours. All right, I'm home from work and this has been cooking for 4 hours. So now I'm just going to go in with my tongs and I'm going to shred this chicken up very loosely and let it sit in this mixture. And I'm actually going to let it sit with the lid open while I prepare the rest of the supper. That's going to let some of this liquid kind of evaporate out of this. And I'm just going to continue shredding, and then we're going to serve it on a baked potato. And there's what she looks like shredded. All right, y'all, it's time to serve it up. I fixed us just a nice little salad to go on the side. I've got my potato that is split and ready to dress up. I've added just a little bit of cheese to the top of that potato. A little bit more. And then I'm going to come in with my chicken taco mixture and put that over the top. Just cover that really well. I'm going to put a little bit more cheese because you can't have too much cheese. And for me, I'm going to put a dollop of sour cream on top. And I'm going to add some jalapenos, because everything's better with jalapenos. All right. So that's my potato. And get you a better view. All right, so that's our potato with the chicken taco meat on it, cheese, sour cream, jalapenos. Very simple. It makes a great weeknight meal. All right, let's see that bite. That's good stuff. Make you some.